So it's January 7th. The storms have completely moved out, but there's still snow everywhere, as to be expected. It's snowing just a little bit. Not enough. Like if I was down south and it was raining, I'd be aggravated if I had to pull out my umbrella because it's not going to help me. I've got to go just up the road to pick up the next load. I think it's some sort of Freightliner parts. I don't know if it's engines or axle parts. I've done both from this location. This isn't my first time going to this pickup point. And then I'm heading down to St. Louis. Okay, so we have the load. It definitely wasn't as heavy as I thought it was going to be. But we are on our way, taking 70 to 55 probably. Site, but definitely a spin out. But it just goes to show that if you don't need to be out on the roads during the storm, don't. I can't tell you how many people have been flying by me, trucks included. But again, I'm not in a hurry to die out here. That's the one thing I don't like about that system, is that it picks up a groove in the road. You think you're getting close to the lane, and you're not. See, during the storm, this was one of the areas where they were having a lot of issues with slide-offs. We're out by the airport right now, and we're about to switch over to I-70. Nice and easy around the curves. well I'm not near that white line. Now, don't get me wrong, I know numbers are hard, but it's 55 through here right now. And y'all are just blazing past, so that's fine. Again, like I always say, I like to use other drivers as bait to find out where the cops are hanging out. Because I love watching them get pulled over. Because it's not my license that's in trouble. Before we get going with this video, I just wanted to touch base and let you all know that there will be portions of this video where you do see vehicles that are overturned on both the shoulder and the median. You're not going to see anybody in the vehicles. These are basically vehicles that have not been recovered yet, but I wanted to put this in here just to kind of show, it's like when they say that you should not be driving in these conditions, there is a very good reason why. So if any of that may make you feel uncomfortable, go ahead and skip a little bit further into the video, and you can see the sunset happening instead. But there you go. They're saying don't drive. Don't. Obviously, I don't know what happened, but I can pretty much venture a guess. They were going too fast for the road conditions. Probably hit some ice, and we see the result. Y'all, it's not worth it. It's really not. I'm not going to get up on a super high soapbox or anything, but it's just, it's not. You know? Just park for a little bit. You're going to lose money, sure, but losing money is a lot better than losing your life. Hopefully the driver survived that. And I hope that they have a speedy recovery. But that was easily avoidable. Take it slow. just from what I'm seeing, but from what I was hearing about on the news. So, here we are. Here we go again. Graveyard up here. 1, 2. Yeah. This one. 1 for the car. 2, 3, 4. 1 on the side. There's the back end of the trailer that's right there in the middle. You got that one over there. Yep. The landscape is gorgeous with the snow, but it's still just, I don't even have words, for that. It's one thing to see, a truck here and there. It's something else to see, what was that? 5 trucks in that little cluster. I am not going to miss it. GoPro, stop recording. Here we go again. Graveyard in here. 1, 2. Yeah, this one. 1 for the car. 2, 3, 4. 1 on the side. There's the back end of the trailer that's right there in the middle. You got that one over there. Just ahead of you off to the distance is the St. Louis skyline. We're gonna have to loop back around. Nope, I forgot. We're coming in from this way, so I'm not gonna get a straight on shot of it. That's okay. Racetrack. big difference from when we were in Indiana. Man, this is, well, no way she's getting out of this one clean. GoPro, stop recording. Find the ice patches for me, psychos. And that's coming from a Florida man.